Here we have Avalanche, symbol AVAX versus the dollar. And what do we have? We have a consolidation around the highs. Yes, this one did get hit alongside the rest of the market on yesterday's Darth Maul dildo. That is completely fine. What would not be fine and what would invalidate bullishness here, it would be either a 4-hour closure below, especially about 80 and a quarter, or a daily closure below basically the same level, 80 and a half in this case. Until then, I still like the trend. I still favor short-term continuation, as we do have potential hidden bullish evidence that will be confirmed within the next hour and 14 minutes with any sort of a closure here or higher above about 87, 75 in this case. If that does happen, I'd be looking at another run around your $93.50 all-time highs in this case. And long-term, it would still be implicative of continuation as we see volatility continuing to expand. Obviously, the trend right now is to the upside. Now, if the invalidation condition is met, I would be looking for this one to actually take quite a tumble down to the low 70s, somewhere around about 73, give or take about $1 from that target. But overall, I'm always going to like a chart that looks like this for what it's worth. Maybe we have some major bearish evidence to be putting in here. Potentially, yes, but would still need to close below that $80 pivot, and then yeah, that would play out. And well, that looked pretty damn bad, to be fair. So keep in mind where the invalidations are. But I'm never going to hate a general uptrend on all higher term timeframes. So we just look at it from one other angle over here, because this is still a rather interesting one. Maybe get off the hourly. What's a 4-hour look like? 4-hour pops back up above 84.70 in this case. Daily is going to pop back up above 90.75. Okay, and 5-day is actually freshly up above 74.5. Still kind of favor the upside here if you put a gun to my head, but a little bit more short-term sideways. And then assuming that the dailies do not hit those invalidation conditions over the next probably like 3-4 days, then I probably would be looking for this one to continue its way upwards and onwards. And where's the next targets on a breakout out of $95 or 94.70 in this case? You're looking at a move towards 101.5 would be kind of the first target. Although I don't think that things would necessarily stop there, except for like a short-term pullback. Generally speaking, I'd be looking for this one to work its way up towards the mid to low 1 teens, if you will. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for AVAX.